You typed active with a typo and spent 20 minutes debugging.
Status equals acitve. The bug Python silently accepted. Enums exist to make that impossible.
Ay majas.
Episode 37, Python Enums Deep Dive. Enum, IntEnum, StrEnum, flag, and auto. Typo-proof constants, state machines, Bitmask permissions.
Let's go.
An enum is a set of named constant values. From enum import enum. Class color, enum. Then name equals value. Red equals 1. Green equals 2. Blue equals 3. Access with color.red. It has a name, the string red, and a value, the integer 1.
Both attributes. Both useful.
Why not just use strings? Strings are invisible to autocomplete.
A typo passes silently, no error.
You can never list all valid values. With enum, autocomplete catches typos.
Comparison to an invalid member raises attribute error.
You can iterate all members. Enum gives you type safety without a type system. Don't want to assign values manually?
Use auto.
From enum import enum, auto. Each member gets the next integer automatically. You can also override _generate _next _value _. Return the lowercase name, useful for strEnum style. Auto keeps the class clean, just names, no numbers.
Prefer auto when the actual value doesn't matter.
IntEnum inherits from both int and enum. Members compare directly to plain integers.
http://ok == 200 true.
Use it for HTTP status codes, exit codes, priorities. strEnum inherits from str and enum. Members compare directly to plain strings. Available from Python 3.11 onward.
Perfect for JSON fields and database column values.
Let's build something real.
A traffic light state machine using enum.
3 states, red, yellow, green. A transition function uses a dict to map next state.
No if chains. No magic strings. No typos.
Iterate the cycle, red, green, yellow, red. Each state is a named, comparable, printable constant.
4 lines of enum, 5 lines of logic clean machine.
30-second pause before the advanced stuff. If enums just saved you from a future typo bug, this channel is built exactly for you. 1 subscribe keeps the series going.
2 seconds. Tap it now.
Okay, flag enums and Bitmask permissions next. Flag lets you combine enum members with bitwise or
from enum import flag, auto.
Read, write, execute powers of 2 via auto. User_perms equals read pipe write. Test membership with the in operator.
Read in user_perms, true.
Execute in user_perms, false. Real permission systems work exactly this way. Enums are iterable. For member in color, loops all members in order. Color.red, access by name.
Color of 1, access by value.
Member in color, membership check. Color._member_names_, list of all names. Len of color, count of members.
These make enums great for menus, drop-downs, validators.
Which enum type for which job?
Named constants, no integer math, plain enum. Need int comparisons or arithmetic, int enum. JSON or database string values, strEnum. Combinable Bitmask permissions, flag.
Values don't matter, just names, use auto. Never use plain strings for state. Always enum. Default to plain enum unless you have a real reason. Common enum mistakes. Mistake 1, duplicate values create aliases. Color.red and color.crimson point to the same member.
Use unique decorator to prevent this.
Mistake 2, comparing enum to raw string or int.
Enum.red == red is false. Always.
Mistake 3, mutable default values in enum members. Keep enum members as simple immutable values. Mini project and order status tracker. 6 states. Pending, confirmed, shipped, delivered, canceled, refunded. Step 1. Define order status as an enum with auto. Step 2. A transition table as a dict. Step 3, a function to advance the order.
Step 4, print each valid transition.
Clean state machine. 0 magic strings. Your challenge. Model a door, locked, closed, open. Step 1, define door state as an enum. Step 2, valid transitions dict. Step 3, a transition function. Bonus, use flag to add alarmed and bolted states.
Paste your solution in the comments.
I reply to every single one. Let's recap. Enum named constants, typo-proof, iterable. Automatic values when the number doesn't matter. IntEnum, integer compatible, for codes and priorities. StrEnum, string compatible, for JSON and database fields. Flag, combinable Bitmask permissions. Next episode, virtual environments and packaging. Pip, venv, pyproject.toml, the full workflow. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you tomorrow.
Enums unlocked.
Typo-proof constants, state machines, Bitmask permissions. Your Python is cleaner and safer right now. Subscribe for the next episode. Drop your door state machine in the comments. I'm Mahaz. See you in episode 38.